So the pattern, because also I would like to preface, is it the proper word, when you like a disclaimer? Yeah, is it disclaimer, or I would like to preface this. I hope I'm using the right word. It's so nice because I just remembered that you also say this. I hope I'm using I hope I'm using the right word, phrase, or sentence, because it made me feel comfortable to use words even though I'm not sure, because I will just rely on you correcting me. Oh, that's not the right word, or oh yeah, you're using the right word, but then you're not here. So I hope I'm using the right word. At least you've provided me with that space, or like with that safety, that I can say that I can learn and stuff. I can learn and stuff and feel my feelings. Anyway, so the idea that this incident has triggered the pattern, one of the patterns that reveals something about the society, is that, let's take that alfresco situation. It's not entirely, it's just a fraction, I guess, or a part, or something that kind of like this in my head, and like one switch and it lit up the entire tree, sort of. So let's take that alfresco as an example. There are a lot of chairs, a lot of tables, of chairs, and no one is using it. No one is supposed to use it yet. The people who these seats are for, they will not be arriving at a certain point. Yes, I understand again that rules, decency, whatsoever word, name it. Yes, I've thought about that. I understand. What I'm saying here is that the amount of chairs, no one is using it. And no one is gonna use it yet for the time being. And when I used it, someone was like, so that kind of caused my brain to jump on another thing that is happening. The food waste in the world. So much food are getting thrown away, untouched food that are still in boxes, in packs. And considering that a lot of the human population is dying of hunger, there's something wrong in there, right? There's something wrong in there, in that thing, but it's normal. It's normal. Like, it's something that's happening in the world that is nobody, maybe some people are paying attention to, but like, why, like, a lot of people are just it's not something that they really think about, let's just say. So you have a lot of food that's thrown away, or it becomes waste. But then a lot of people are malnourished, they're hungry. Like, there must be a way to sort of, because the food is made anyway. Maybe I'm just not updated. Maybe there are organizations who are in charge of this already. But still, it's just something that if I was an alien and I will see it like that, I'm like, I will not understand why it has to work the way it does, like that. Number two, that it triggered clothes. A lot of children, a lot of people cannot afford clothes. But then, what will you see in the landfills? Clothes. Maybe not all the garbage are clothes, but a lot of the waste there are clothes. So why again? Why again does it have to be that way? I really hope that there are organizations out there that are built or being built in solving these problems. If not, do you want to build? Do you want? Because I noticed that you also have this urge, like, if you go I go, sort of. And then apart from the if you go I go, you also have this sort of bigger picture view on things, and you want to act on it. Like, I remember this thing that you are organizing, and I was so amazed by that, because you're organizing it already at such a young age, and it's not only within your country, it's in different countries. And that's so admirable to me. You have this sort of leadership seed in you. Maybe you're, yeah, maybe you're interested. We can include this in our future plans. Yeah, it just triggered that area, the foods, all the wasted food, while people are dying somewhere. Of course, that's a bit tricky to solve because the food is here, and by the time that it reaches there, it's expired maybe. But then even here, there are people who are struggling, so I hope the food doesn't have to go to waste, and it has to reach the others that needs it. And the other thing that kind of ticked, because I have read somewhere that the reason why there are a lot of clothes going to the landfill is that the brands kinda don't wanna ruin their image. If you know what I mean. They cater to a certain demographic or people who earn a certain amount, and if their clothing is seen on the you know how, whether if we accept it or not, there are levels to these things. For example, the low income, it would kind of destroy the image or taint it in a way. Yeah, I'm not sure how really, and I forgot where I read this from, but that's just another thing that came to my mind, the image. Because they'd rather have their clothes in the landfill than on someone alive, just because they are trying to preserve something that yeah. Because let's admit it, not all these luxury brands sell their or have all this their stuff sold, because maybe even their clients don't like how it was styled or something, or maybe it's just overproduced or something like that also. And where do this go? There, it's fortunate enough if it lands in a thrift shop, but then if it's something that just gets destroyed or burned just so no one will see that it's not really limited edition, then that's just so. Yeah, I think those are the things then that got triggered. The pattern of well, it's there, it's available, and it's gonna go to waste anyway. Why don't we sort of use our brain in our hearts, kind of thing? Maybe I'm not good for the image of the bar. Maybe I'm not sure if I mean that or if it's just a joke. Sometimes I say things, but I don't really know where they came from or where they're gonna land. But yeah, that's the pattern that I noticed. And also, maybe you have something to add to this, the pattern of whatever this is that I just discussed. Yeah, maybe you have something. I would be curious. Or if this reminded you of something, it's very cool to see your perspective on this. Or you could also critique my perspective. We would both benefit from that if you critique my perspective or say that, oh, I think this something. Yeah, it would be really nice to hear what you think about this. So yes, I don't think I'll be able to take a nap because I have to cook and I have to eat. Sometimes I wish that eating is optional. Yeah, sometimes I wish that eating is optional.